are here at King of the World Philippines Talents Night. And isa ito sa half ng mga candidates who won today para sa ating talent competition. Congratulations, Tarlac, Cebu City, Santa Rosa, and Laguna Province. Laguna or Laguna Province? Laguna Province. Congratulations to the four of you. Ang galing. I was so amazed of you singing. Grabe the impersonation and again singing. Congratulations. Saan mo nakuha yung ganyan kagaling kumanta?
Siguro para sa akin na-adapt ko yun sa father ko. Kasi since I was a kid, tinuturuan niya ako kung paano kumanta, kung paano tumuno ng ayun, para sa akin nakuha ko yun sa tatay ko. And I'm so grateful dahil nagkaroon ako ng tatay ko na gano'n. Yeah.
Ano naman kanino mo inaalay yung greatest show nga?
To my supporters, especially my family way back in Cebu City, I think they are my strongest supporters for now's event. Even though they are not here, I can feel the love and support. Yes.
Kahit malayo, diba? You can feel it. The greatest show talaga. We are already on the finish line. Malapit na tayo sa finish line. And this one is one of the point in order for us to get, say sa tabi nga nila sa top 25. Do you feel, Santa Rosa, makukuha mo ang fast track?
I'm hoping na magawa po yung fast track, and if hindi naman po ako makuha sa fast track, well, I've give my 100% best po para po makasali sa top 25.
You did great. Inaliw mo ang bawat isa sa amin. Laguna Province. I mean, we have all front runners here, but kayo, umarangkada na kayo. Nagpapansin kayo today. This is the point and boiling point for you na mapansin talaga. At sa palagay mo ba, this is the right time for you na makita at makilala ng bawat lahat?
Performing po, lahat po naman kami deserving po bilang maging king. Kasi lahat pinaparindigan po namin. Tulad po ng mga call time namin, 5 AM maaga po. Pero prepares po kami talagang nagsasakripisyo po dito sa pageant na ito. So para mapansin po kami lahat, gagawin po namin best namin. Hindi lang po ako, lahat po sila gagawin po namin. At yun pong gawin ay isang king. Thank you po.
Again, congratulations for reaching this far. Diba? Congratulations sa inyo. I think this is, sabi ko nga kanina at paulit-ulit, this is the boiling point for each and every one of you na mas lalo pa maging confident tomorrow and on the coronation live. Diba? Thank you so much for giving us a very good show today. And we're gonna be seeing you at titingnan kayo ng marami natin mga audience and followers and pageant fans out there sa ating coronation night. So please invite everyone.
So I am from Cebu City, and I'm hoping that all of you would watch our coronation night this coming April 13, 2025 in Brick Road, and hope to see you guys. See you guys.
Lastly, in one word, what is King of the World Philippines?
Behavior, quality, a channel, respect.
Wow. Maraming salamat and congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat.